In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted responses of Google Forms. It's not uncommon to accidentally delete something important. But luckily, recovering Google Form responses is simpler than you might think. We'll walk through the process step by step. So let's dive in and get those responses back. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Drive. This is your central hub for Google Sheets, Forms, Docs, and more. Once you're in, look for the Apps grid icon. Clicking on it will display a menu of various Google apps. From here, you'll want to select Forms. This will bring you to all the forms you have created so far. Find the particular form for which you wish to recover responses. Click on it to open it up. Once the form is open, click on the Responses tab at the top. This tab houses all the results from submitted forms. If you haven't yet linked your form to a specific Google Sheet where responses are stored, now is the time to do so. You'll notice an icon labeled Link to Sheets. Clicking on this allows you to create a new spreadsheet where the responses will be automatically populated. Should you find yourself in a situation where the response sheet has been deleted, don't panic. Return to your Google form and re-click on the Responses tab. Look for a three-dot menu, which is sometimes called the More Options menu, usually located towards the upper right-hand corner of the tab, and select it. In the drop-down, choose Select Destination for Responses. This is critical because it's where you can point the recovered data to a new sheet. You'll then be prompted to create a new spreadsheet. By choosing this option, a new Google Sheet will be generated for your form responses. Click Create to finalize this setup. Once that's settled, return to the Responses section and click on View in Sheets. This action opens up the spreadsheet, displaying all your previously deleted form responses, effectively recovering them. This restoration process can save you a ton of trouble, as it ensures your data isn't permanently lost. Keep in mind that regular backups and syncing your forms with Google Sheets can help prevent complications in the future. So, the next time you mistakenly delete a sheet, you'll know how to swiftly get your responses back. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tech tips.